Alright guys, today we're going to be replacing the cabin filter in this Honda Civic. This is an 8th generation, a 2009. But it's pretty similar with the majority of these Honda Civics. So here on the passenger side, you open your glove compartment. It typically opens about this much, but if you press the sides right here, then you get past these knobs here, so you can drop it. And then if you look down here, there are two tabs, and you just slide this out. So you have these two tabs here. You press these in, and you can pull this out. And then let me show you inside how dirty this one is. So you see down here, you have your fan, and this is what blows the air into your cabin for your AC, and what filters from the outside air coming in. So as you can see, mine is extremely dirty. So I don't know when the last time it was that this thing was changed, but it looks like it was a very long time ago, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it. With this, they have their reusable ones that you can just keep washing, but I got this one. It's not reusable, but I like the idea of having the Febreze or Fresh Breeze or whatever from Arm & Hammer. This is not sponsored, by the way, by any means, but let's check this out. Alright, so to pop this out, you're going to press it from the bottom, press it out, and you can see how disgusting this one is. Place it outside, and just shake this up. Shake out all the loose dirt. It says here that the airflow goes down, so the air comes down, and that thing is what sucks the air inwards and then into your ducts. So let's open this guy up. And it looks like these clip onto the side there, in here. So that's the way it fits. Put it there, line it up the same way, and then you can just press it in until it snaps. Your glove compartment, same way, you're going to press these tabs in and push it in, and your glove compartment is good to go again. So all you're going to do is close it up, start your car, and enjoy some fresh air. Or some better air. This should help with the AC. If it was clogged up, then that would kind of affect your AC and the quality of it. So this is simple. You see, it only took a few seconds. You can do it by yourself, and you can have fresh air. So thank you for watching, and if you like videos like this, short and simple, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you have not yet. Thank you for watching. This is Ed.